Hi guys! Hindi ko napapatagalin. Kung meron kayong nakikitang card na nakalagay sa harapan ninyo, this is my first spread. Okay? This is a collective reading. Hindi ko na siya tatanggalin kasi meron ako nararamdaman na this is very important. Okay? Na basahin yung energy and yung cards ngayon. Actually, akala ko kasi nag-record kanina yung video and then suddenly, nag-stop siya. Kaya nakat. Okay? So, hindi ko na siya tatanggalin yung spread and pagpapatuloy na lang natin yung reading. So, this is a collective reading, okay? So, again, katulad ng aking pinapaalala, please make this video a guidance only. Wag gawing batayan yung video na mapapanood ninyo or mag-resonate sa inyo para sa magiging decision ninyo in the future or in your current situation. This is a guidance only, okay? Na dapat supposedly makakatulong sa inyo or magiging guide nyo, okay? So, let's start now. Hindi ko napapatagalin. Okay, so magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Good morning also. This is Laluna. So we are going to make a collective reading right now. So I will continue my first shuffle. Nag-pray na rin ako kanina para sa inyong lahat kasi I know na important tong reading na to. Kaya hindi ko na siya babaguhin. I will not shuffle again, okay? So, sa harapan ninyo, meron ng 5 cards. Okay? So, pagpapatuloy na lang natin. Hindi ako nagbabasa ng reversal, guys, pero yung tumalon kanina na card is in reverse. So, this is a two male, okay? A King of Swords and a King of Cups in reverse. While the upright position signifying that some of you is a Queen of Swords, okay? So, ang character and yung aura ninyo is a Queen of Swords. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, okay? And there is the Ten of Wands, which is signifying you are burned out right now. You are feeling you are taking for granted. Okay? Meron kang battle na pinagdadaanan ngayon sa yung love life, sa yung life. Okay? Or sa yung buhay. Okay? Overall. And you are in your breaking point right now. Temperance in reverse. So you are imbalance. Okay, you are in your extreme mood. Okay, feeling mo wala nang patutunguhan yung sitwasyon mo. O pwedeng dito sa dalawang to na you are dealing with right now. Okay, King of Cups is not a good energy. If the King of Cups is in upright position, this is a loving, a very emotional, matured kind of a person. Very mapagmahal, okay? Very supportive emotionally, okay? And a very loving partner or person. Pero kung ito ay in reverse, this is signifying that this person is it can be this person is depressed right now or um, emotional manipulator, okay, totally not so loving person. Mhm. Kasi para sa akin, guys, ang King of Cups in reverse is a narcissist, okay? Narcissist in not so very very good way. Okay, so it can be, ito yung klase ng tao na walang pakialam. Walang pakialam if this is your partner, if this is your boyfriend, wala tong pakialam sa mararamdaman mo, sa nararamdaman mo, sa pinagdadaanan mo. This is emotionally unstable person. Okay? And it can be this person is very immature emotionally. Yes. Same with the King of Swords. If this is in upright position, this person is a very smart person, a very cutthroat person, a fast-paced kind of a person. And sometimes it can signify that this person is a balanced kind of a person. Kasi This is a fast-paced kind of a person. An overthinker also. Okay. So, kung naka-reverse to, itong person na to, itong dalawang person na to, signifying that you are dealing with uh, first, a person na hindi kayang panindigan yung salita niya. Okay. Not so totally smart person. Hindi, alam mo yon yung hindi kaya makipag-communicate. Sword is a word, okay, a communication. So, meron ako nakikita na nahihirapan ka right now if you are the female here, which is the Queen of Swords. Hindi naman kasi naka-reverse ang Queen of Swords, mga madams, okay? So, naka-upright ang Queen of Swords, which is means that you still a very smart person, quick-witted, okay? And a fast-paced kind of a person. And feeling mo, right now, you are burdened if you are dealing with these two person on the right side. Kasi nga, pwedeng hindi ka makarelate sa kanila. Kung sino man tong dalawang person na to. Okay, pwedeng yung isa is from the past, or pwedeng itong dalawang to is suitor mo. So take what's resonate. Pero meron akong nakikita dito, you're very burdened right now eh. Kasi hindi ka makarelate. Alam mo, hindi ka nila maintindihan. The other one is an emotionally not okay. Uh, what I mean is, hindi siya okay emotionally. Walang pakialam. It can be a nonchalant kind of a person. Walang pakialam sa nararamdaman ng iba, while the other person is wala namang isang salita. Okay? So, pwedeng you are dealing with unstable masculine. Okay? Right now. So, tingnan natin. Ano yung current energy ng aking mga viewers? Okay. So, again, I will spread a past situation, current or present, and then the future situation. So, maybe before, this is your situation. Ten of Cups. Uy. The Moon. Uy, the Hermit. Pero in reverse is tumalsik. You are very lonely. Okay. Tingnan natin ha. Eight of Cups, walking away, abandonment. High Priestess upright. Okay. Pwede. The King of Cups in reverse is your partner before, your past partner, which is you have a happy family with this person. You have a family with this person. King of Cups in reverse, walang pakialam sa nararamdaman mo, an emotionally not prepared kind of a person. Pwedeng manipulator to emotionally. Pwedeng asawa mo to eh. Ten of Cups eh. Pwedeng asawa mo to. Itong Ten of Cups in reverse. Okay? You can be a water sign. For some of you, it can be a water sign. King of Cups, Ten of Cups, okay? So, water sign, you're dealing with the water sign. Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. And then the moon can be a Scorpio. Another confirmation. So, with the Hermit in reverse, You're very lonely. Okay. You're withdrawing yourself dahil siguro dun sa naranasan mo before. Naranasan mo when it comes sa love life, sa family. Okay. Kasi feeling mo, walang makaintindi sa'yo. Hindi, meron akong nararamdaman na feeling mo puro palpak yung nakaka-deal mo na person. You withdraw yourself eh. Kasi, nababurden ka, nababurn out ka dealing with this two person or two masculine. You walk away. Kasi na-disappoint ka. Na-disappoint ka eh. Kasi nga, alam mo yung pakiramdam mo ikaw lang yung parang may gusto, pakiramdam mo parang ikaw lang yung nagsisikap, pakiramdam mo parang ikaw lang yung nagbi-build ng family, pakiramdam mo ikaw lang yung may pangarap. Yes. And meron ako nakikita niyo, a very spiritual kind of a person. Nakikita mo na yung red flag doon sa person if you're dealing these two right now or in the past, or sabihin na natin, yun nga ito yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, alam mo sa sarili mo na wala ng patutunguhan kung ano man yung meron ka dito sa dalawang to. Whether, alam mo yun, meron kasi akong narinig na walang isang salita eh. Itong persons na to. Yung isa, pwedeng ayaw magkaroon ng pamilya, walang balak magpamilya. Si King of Cups in reverse, pwedeng, alam mo yun, yung pwedeng, gusto mo siyang makasama, siguro, pero, alam mo yun, parang, hindi naman siya prepared maging ama or maging parang husband sa'yo. Kasi yung burden lahat nasa sa'yo. Tapos, pwede siguro, merong dumating ulit sa'yo na King of Swords in reverse or representing a King of Swords in reverse. Pero, this person, still, may red flag again. This is unfocused person. So, pwedeng kalat yung isip nito, nangangako ng hindi kayang gawin. It can be pwedeng puro pangako lang to, or pwedeng hindi kayang makipag-communicate ng maayos, hindi kayang, alam mo yun, makipag-usap ng maayos. Very poor when it comes in communication. Okay? Nakikita ko naman na winidraw mo yung sarili mo dito sa two persons na to Kasi you are very burdened, depressed, burnout. Very matalino na person. Meron ako naging very matalino na person, very intuitive na person. Very knowledgeable. Oo. That's why you abandon the situation, you walk away kasi you already fed up. Alam mong wala ka ng patutunguhan dealing with these two persons. Eight of Wands. Maybe you will receive a communication or this is a rapid change, okay? biglaan eh. Biglaan yung, kasi ano eh, alam mo yung gusto mo nang umalis doon sa situation as much as possible. Alam mo yung ganun? King of Coins. Oh, for some of you, meron akong nakikita na doon sa mga hindi pa umaalis dito sa sitwasyon na to, dealing with this two person in reverse, huwag kang mag-alala kasi meron akong nakikita na soon, this is a rapid change, okay? Soon, kung hindi mo pa nami-meet to, you will soon meet a King of Coins or a King of Pentacles. Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. This person is very grounded, a business owner, magaling sa pera, okay? A resourceful kind of a person, and maaasahan. This is a father figure, okay, or a boss daddy. Magaling sa pera, magaling mag-provide, kaya ka nitong tulungan, or makaka-partner mo to financially kung gusto mo. Okay? You will soon meet a King of Pentacles. Meron ako nakikita dito na po pwedeng you will receive a message or meron kang makikilala. This is a rapid, very quick. Meron kang makikilala na King of Coins. Six of Swords, Four of Swords, and Justice. Oh, this is your justice, okay? So, if you walk away dito sa burden na to, sorry guys, this one is a Knight of Swords pala. Knight of Swords, this is a Knight, isip bata. Knight of Sword, okay? That is why this person is unfocused, okay? Bata to na Knight, Knight of Swords. Air sign, okay? Justice card is here. So, if you choose to walk away, to abandon this very hard situation from the past, and compose yourself, ibalik yung sarili mo sa pagiging balance ulit. So, kung ano yung ginawa mo na pag-work sa sarili mo, soon, you will have a justice. Okay? Doon. Kaya may makikilala kang very grounded, a King of Pentacles. Okay? With the Four of Swords in reverse. Okay? So, since you are a Queen of Swords, don't overthink things, okay? Wag ka masyadong magpaka-stress kasi it can lead to health issues. Okay, meron ako nakikita dito na kapag hindi mo i-manage yung mind mo at hindi ka magfo-focus, hindi mo ayusin yung mental state mo right now, it can be makaapekto to sa health mo. It can be magkaroon ka ng insomnia and sleepless nights, okay? Yes, kasi masyadong magkakaroon ka ng overload. So, kung isip ka ng isip, pagkakaroon ka ng mental overload, pwedeng magkasakit ka. Okay? This is a Four of Swords. Pwede kang magkasakit. Mhm. So, kung ako sa'yo, huwag kang masyadong mag-overthink kasi kung inayos mo yung sarili mo, okay, and ginawa mong balance yung sarili mo, soon, you will meet a king na sasabayan kung ano yung trip mo, papantayan kung ano yung effort mo. Okay? And pangarap mo. So, Six of Swords, okay? Soon, you will move forward, okay? You will heal. If you are having issues dahil kay King of Cups in reverse, nagkaroon ka ng trauma dealing with these two people, okay? Kanina, meron akong nakikita dito na pag-heal. Soon you will heal. You need to heal. Okay? You need to gawing stable yung mind mo. You will move soon to a calmer waters. Okay? Bottom of the deck is Two of Cups. Okay, this is a mutual respect. Sabi ko nga kanina, itong King of Coins na to is sasabayan yung trip mo. Kung ikaw is mataas ang pangarap mo, marami ka pang gustong gawin, ganun din si King of Coins. Okay? You will soon have a mutual respect sa partner mo. Mahal ka din nitong partner na itong makikilala mo, mamahalin ka niya, and you will have a equal give and take. Okay? So, kung todo ka magbigay ng effort, ng love, this person will also papantayan yung kaya mong ibigay na effort. Okay? Kasi this is a Two of Cups. Kung gaano mo siya minahal, ganun din yung isusukli niya sa'yo na pagmamahal. Okay? So, kung nag-overthink kayo ngayon, wag na kayong mag-overthink kasi you will move to a calmer waters. Okay? Magkakaroon ka ng justice dahil sa nangyari sa'yo before. You're a very intuitive kind of a person. Okay? So, for some of you, hidden pa sa inyo, yung King of Coins na yon, kung sino yon. Po pwedeng napapanaginipan mo pa lang ito, okay? Or nakikita mo sa panaginip mo, or alam mo na merong paparating pa kasi you're a very intuitive kind of person with the High Priestess. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. So, I hope, guys, nakakasunod kayo sa ating reading. Okay. Malasahe lang natin to, guys. Okay. Tapos, tingnan natin dito sa ating... Okay, so gamit tayo ng 3 oracle deck para sa yung advice sa aking collective. Advice for my collective. Kuha tayo ng tagpo 4 cards for your advice. Kung hindi nyo pa nakikilala yung King of Pentacles or King of Coins, soon, po pwedeng makachat mo to, po pwedeng maging kachat mo to, makilala mo sa social media, or maging business partner mo yung person na yon. So, tingnan natin. Advice para sa'yo, kuha tayo ng 4 cards. Advice for my collective. Four cards. Oops. 4 cards. First, emotions. Look deep within your emotions. So, huwag ka masyadong analytical if you are Queen of Swords. Huwag ka masyadong in your head. So, sabi, look deep within your emotions. Manage your emotions. Don't be so emotional. Recognition. The divine will help you recognize signs and miracle. So, the divine will help you to recognize, to have a guidance para mapunta ka dun sa tamang tao. Okay? Openness. Be open to accept divine guidance in your relationship. So, yung guidance, ibibigay ng divine sa'yo. So, you need to be open. Huwag kang maging closed off. Okay? Don't isolate yourself with the hermit mode in reverse sa card kanina. Okay? So, be open to receive. Kasi yun yung justice mo kanina. Yung makakilala ka ng person na kayang pantayan, kayang higitan yung effort and yung love na kaya mong ibigay. Okay? So, intense. The intensity of a true soul connection includes great highs and great lows. Okay? So, natural. You will feel the intensity if the person you are dealing with is a true soul connection or a true soul mate. Okay? You will feel. Kaya ang sabi dito, look deep within your emotions. Okay? Kasi para ma-recognize mo yung intensity nung connection. Huwag kang masyadong in your mind. Okay? Look within your emotion to recognize a true soul connection. Because kapag naging open ka, inopen mo yung sarili mo emotionally, you will recognize the divine messages and the sign na ibinibigay sa'yo. Okay? If yung makakadil mo is a true soulmate. And if you're a very intuitive person, you have a sensation tingling sensation na whether the situation or the person is a wrong person or a false soul connection or a true connection, okay? So, I hope naintindihan nyo yung ibig kong sabihin. So, kuha tayo ng angel, okay? Angel of advice para sa inyo. 4 cards again. Siguro kasi yung iba sa inyo, kasi Queen of Swords, kasi air sign, very analytical, very in your head. So, masyadong hindi mo pinagtutuunan yung nararamdaman mo. Okay? Kaya siguro, nabibigyan mo ng ibang kahulugan. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng 4 cards. Heart-to-heart conversations. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. Be open. Okay? Discuss. Diba? Ang sabi ko sa inyo, you are air sign. You are in your head. Anong sabi? Emotion. Pag sinabing emotion, this is in a heart space, right? In a heart space. So, anong sabi ng angel? Heart-to-heart conversation. So, be open. Open your heart. Okay? Use your emotion. Okay? To feel. Okay? The intense connection. Para kasi malaman mo kung true soulmate ba yung person na makikilala mo pa. Pero nakita ko naman na kung sino man yung makikilala mo, this is a divine guided, okay, connection. Express your love. Again, this is an emotion. Express your love. go ahead and make the romantic gesture. If you are not an emotion person, a sentimental person, this time, kailangan mo gamitin yung heart mo, not your mind lang. Okay? Use your heart. Finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. Okay. Last card. Codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Bottom of the deck, engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So soon, if you will meet this King of Pentacles, King of Coins, maybe um, there is a higher chance na mag-level up yung connections with this person kasi this person is very stable and very grounded, okay? So if you have a codependent issue, you need to heal that specific issue. Okay, if you are struggling with your finances and career, you need to fix that issue para pag nakita mo at na-meet mo na si King of Pentacles is hindi maging hadlang yung issue na to, codependency in finances, doon sa person na yun. Kasi very independent yung person na yun. Okay, so kailangan mong i-resolve muna to if you have these issues. Okay, so kuha pa tayo ulit ng 4 cards. This is the final oracle deck na kukunin natin para sa advice mo. Four cards. Meditation to dig deep. So, you need to meditate to para mas malaman mo yung totoo ba talagang nararamdaman mo, mas makilala mo yung sarili mo, mas ma-acknowledge mo kung ano yung mga kailangan mo pang i-work out sa sarili mo. Okay? Mm-hmm. Go with the flow. Water sign, go with the flow. So, don't control the process, don't control the situation, just go with the flow. Go with your emotions, okay? Feel it, okay? So, wag mong kontrolin yung nararamdaman mo. If you feel that you need to cry in order for you to release yung nararamdaman mo, yung burden, walang masama na umiyak. Kung gusto mo maging vulnerable and maging honest sa nararamdaman mo, just open yourself, okay? Walang masama doon. Kasi being vulnerable is hindi kahinaan. Next. Connect with Gaia. So, connect with nature. Okay? Pwedeng punta ka sa may body of water, pwedeng plant a tree, pwedeng mamasyal ka, okay? Connect with Gaia, Mother Nature. To cleanse your energy to meditate, okay? Kasi may nararamdaman ako kailangan mong mamasyal, magbakasyon. Uy! Sumabog na ang card. Okay. Kuha pa tayo ng last card. Last card para sa aking collective viewers. Thank you. Learn from life. O pwedeng read e-book. Learn from life. So, pwedeng kung ano yung mga natutunan mo from the past relationship, i-cherish mo yun, wag mong damdamin, bagkus gawin mong aral yon sa sarili mo para hindi mo na mabalikan yung mga pinagdaanan mo sa past relationship mo. Okay? Para makapag-heal ka ng maayos. Okay, and bottom of the deck, plant the seed. So, anong sabi ko? You can plant a tree, plant a fruit, yung iba sa inyo, green thumb. Okay. Magaling magtanim, magaling magpatubo ng halaman, ng flowers, ng any plant. Okay? And you could be an earth sign, iba sa inyo. Okay? Kasi, meron akong nakikita na marirelieve kasi yung stress mo kapag nagtanim ka, naghalaman ka. Kasi stress reliever din yun. Okay, so I hope guys nagkaroon kayo ng wisdom, ng guidance sa love life nyo ngayon, sa pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon. Okay? So, take what's resonate and leave the rest. Kung hindi mag-resonate sa inyo, okay lang. Okay? So, appreciated ko guys kung mag-like kayo and magsusubscribe sa ating channel para mas lumaki ang ating community. And I appreciate din kung magko-comment ka kung resonated sa'yo. Like this video also. You can share it din. Okay? So, dun po sa mga nagtatanong ng personal reading, hindi pa ako makapaglabas ngayon kung paano tayo magkakaroon ng schedule, pero maayusin ko na siya para at least kung gusto niyo magpa-personal reading po pwede. Okay, so maraming salamat guys. Abangan niyo yung next ko na upload. Okay. And na-appreciate ko yung pag-comment ninyo. Nababasa ko po yun. Pati yung sa mga nagre-request. Okay, so maraming salamat guys. Happy Wednesday sa inyong lahat. And have a good day. Bye!